Good morning, Mr. Bill. How are you?
Yeah, all good, thank you.
Well, great. So this morning I have you down here in our Balconette showroom, and I had a couple of questions about our Hybrid Balustrade System versus our SG12. Could you walk us through some of the main differences between those two systems?
Yeah, really, the main difference is the hybrid system has a handrail. Its structure is in the handrail, rather than the frameless, which is no handrail. You can have a small capping if you like, but all the strength is in the base track. Either, you can fit them above or below. With the frameless in particular, looks good if you can fit it below the finished floor, because all you see is glass, nothing else. Yeah, absolutely. Only thing with the SG12, really, if you're fitting it below the finished floor surface, we can curve it. Because fitting it above the floor, the base track being so hefty, doesn't curve quite so nicely.
Oh, nice.
So as it's hidden below the floor, you get the look with no interrupted views. This one, because it's a slimmer profile and the base track is very small, it curves much easier. With the hybrid systems, it's 10mm toughened. The idea is if one panel should break, you've got a handrail to protect anyone from falling over. With the frameless, it has to be laminated, and we use 21.5, which is two 10mm with a 1.5 PVB membrane. Raw chrome, which is our most popular by far. We also do a matte silver. They all come with a 10-year warranty on the finish. They're anodized aluminium, so they can't rust, even in a coastal location. So yeah, very durable.
All right, Mr. Bill, thank you so much for your time today.
No problem,
All right.
Thank you.